Get ready to witness pure automotive aggression. This is the Black Beast, the all-new Corvette C8 Z06 with a furious red interior and a heart-pounding soul. At first glance, the matte black finish grabs your attention like a predator in the night. But this isn't just about looks. Hiding under that sculpted hood is a 5.5-liter naturally aspirated flat-plane crank V8, pushing out a mind-blowing 670 horsepower, making it the most powerful naturally aspirated V8 in a production car, ever. From 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds, the Z06 doesn't just launch, it explodes. And the sound? Oh, that scream from the quad titanium exhaust pipes is nothing short of orchestral rage. But this beast isn't just about raw power, it's sharp, it's focused, and it's born for the track. Thanks to active aerodynamics, a massive carbon rear wing, and magnetic ride control, the C8 Z06 sticks to corners like it's defying gravity. Every inch is designed for performance. From the carbon fiber splitters to those aggressive front air intakes that feed the monster inside. Step inside the cockpit and it gets even more intense. The red leather interior isn't just luxurious, it's racing-bred elegance. With race bucket seats, a flat-bottom performance steering wheel, digital cluster, and premium Bose audio, it's a cockpit built for thrill and style. And let's not forget the wide-body design. It's not just aggressive, it's mean. The fenders are flared, the stance is lower, and the confidence it oozes on the road is unmatched. This isn't your dad's Corvette. This is a supercar killer, engineered by Chevrolet to compete with the likes of Ferrari, McLaren, and Lamborghini, but at a fraction of the price. So whether you're cruising the streets, tearing up the track, or simply revving at a red light, one thing's for sure, when the Black Beast arrives, everyone turns around. This is the Corvette C8 Z06. With red interior fury. With track-ready dominance. And with soul-shaking power. This is America's answer to the world's greatest supercars. Are you ready to ride the beast? Asterisk.